So my project is called Anew Time Capsule. It's an interactive clock that is made of photography film. So the background idea of it is actually nowadays we keep a lot of old stuff at home that we no longer use, but we don't want to throw them due to a nostalgic value, emotional attachment. So it's very wasteful to just keep them in the wardrobe or what. It's a clock that made out of obsolete items like photography film, and it can be used as a clock as well as a film gallery. Personally, I like crafting a lot, so it's very interesting that I can try something new like laser cut machine to bring my project to life. Especially this is something that has not existed before I created it and I built it from scratch. Yeah, that's the fabrication part is actually the most interesting part of the project. I'm not a computer engineer student, so playing with this kind of Arduinos and soldering parts is quite challenging for me, as this is only my third time using Arduino in my project. So I need to do a lot more research and talk to my supervisor Anew, and he gave me suggestions and keep doing prototypes to make it work. So for the exterior product design part, I really love the part that I use embroidery on wood. A lot of people actually feedback from far they thought this is engraving, and when they come near and touch it, it gives a sense of surprise.